I like to start my day with a nice hearty breakfast, and I don't know about you, but I love breakfast burritos. And today I want to show you how to make a super delicious, satisfying, and simple breakfast burrito that has ham, sausage, egg, and cheese. It's only 445 calories and has over 50 grams of protein. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through a combination of mindful eating and daily walking, and these days I'm just focused on maintaining my weight and staying in shape. Now, this breakfast burrito is one of my go-tos that I make all the time. Seriously, I make this for my wife just about every day before she goes into work. It's so quick and easy to make, it's delicious, it's satisfying. What are we waiting for? Come on, let's get cooking. All right, so like I said, this one is super quick, super easy. I got my stove preheating. I have 2 skillets right now just for the sake of the video. You can just do one if you want. I just want to have a second one ready to go while I'm filming because I got a lot to do today. Okay, so start off with 40 grams of frozen diced potatoes. Give them a little spray with some olive oil cooking spray. Shake them around, spray one more time. Just want to make sure they're evenly coated. And then sprinkle on some garlic salt. Shake that around. I just want to get them somewhat evenly covered. All right, these are ready to go. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer because it's quick. Put them in the basket, put them in here, 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While the potatoes cook, I'm gonna take one of these great value frozen sausage patties, toss it in the microwave for 40 seconds, flipping halfway. Set it for 40, let that go for the first 20 seconds, then I'm gonna flip it. All right, so the goal is not really to heat it up, it's just to thaw it so I can slice it. So let's go ahead and slice this thing up. I'm just going to cut it one direction and then cut it the other direction. I'm just dicing it up into little squares. Normally I use a cutting board, but my cutting board is kind of ugly. I put it on a burner and it melted the corner of it, and so of course I'm going with a paper plate, which doesn't really look all that much better, but at least it's not, you know, melted. All right, I sliced one way, I'm gonna rotate it and slice the other way. All right, and that sausage is sliced. Now, get yourself a bowl to mix everything in and pour in 5 ounces of egg beaters. Now, I normally just use regular eggs, but for the recipe, I'm gonna cut down on the calories. I've done it with egg beaters plenty of times, it's just more expensive. I use eggs, but I wanna give you the lowest possible calorie version of this, so we're using egg beaters, 5 ounces. Add a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of pepper, dash, 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 dash. Good to go. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of Sriracha. Not a lot, just a little bit for some flavor. And this stuff here, 0 calories. I'll take a spoon and just mix that together. All right, so let's go ahead and add that sausage right on in there. Next, we'll add 2.5 ounces of smoked cubed ham. And I've got about 41.5 grams of Fat Free Cheddar. The half is just to make it an even calorie count. You don't have to worry about that if you don't want to. And we're not putting all of it in because we're gonna save some to add to the tortillas. So let's just put about 1/3 in there. All right, so now go ahead and stir all of this together. And this is ready to cook. All right, so I'm gonna spray my pan. I've got this on about medium heat. And go ahead and add the mixture right on into the pan. There's about 3 minutes left to go on the air fryer, so the nice thing is these will be done around the same time. Literally about 15 minutes from start to finish. It's one of the things I love about this. It's just so quick and easy. Like I said, I make it almost every morning for my wife. She enjoys it, and I enjoy them too. Go ahead and keep stirring these every so often just so that they stay scrambled. And as this finishes cooking, I'm gonna grab out one of these La Banderita carb counter tortillas, the large size. I've got one right here on this plate. I'm gonna go ahead and put some cheese on it. Just gonna sprinkle some of that cheese right onto the tortilla. There we go. That's pretty nice. Check on these eggs. Those are just about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off the heat. And the potatoes are ready. Let's go ahead and sprinkle these right on here. Let's straighten them up a bit so that they're all in the center. There we go. And now let's add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, or you can use whatever hot sauce you like. This is a 0-calorie hot sauce. Sprinkle that right on there. Now let's go ahead and add the eggs and meat mixture. Let's try I get everything in there. No man gets left behind.
A good soldier never leaves a man behind.
There we go. Look at that. That is loaded. All right, now a little more hot sauce. If you like hot sauce. I think it adds a lot of flavor to this. And top it off with the last of our cheese. All right, now it's time to roll this thing up. So first, take the sides and fold them over. These are going to be on the ends. And then take this flap and roll it forward. And you basically want to just roll it, wrap it, tuck it in. There we go. Just like that. Look at that. Now we've got a nicely rolled burrito. Now you could go ahead and eat it just like this. Most of the time I just toss this in the microwave for about 20 seconds to help melt that cheese, and that's it. But today I want to grill it just to kick it up a notch. So we're gonna take this thing and put it here. Like I said, you can use the same skillet you used to cook the eggs. Just wash it real quick and put it back on the stove. I'm just doing this to save time. And I've got my press here to help push it down. Again, save a little time. So take your burrito, set it right there on the griddle, and I'm gonna press mine down just because I can. If you don't have one of these presses and you're just doing it in the skillet, just flip it after a little while. So I'm just gonna let this sit here and get nice and toasted. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna flip this thing. I'll try to do it gently. Woo, girl, look at that. That's beautiful. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna put my press back on, let it go just a little longer. All right, I think it's ready. Let me go ahead and flip it one more time and see how that looks. Oh yeah, oh, that's beautiful. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and plate this thing. Oh yeah. Take a look at that beauty right there. Take a look at that beauty right there. All right, well, here it is, everybody, the finished stuffed grilled breakfast burrito. Let's go ahead and cut this thing in half and see how it looks on the inside. Oh yeah, look at all that sausage, egg, ham, and cheese. This is a dense, loaded breakfast burrito. I'm hungry. Let's go ahead and dig in. I would say this is a taste test, but I know how this thing tastes. Come on. Look at that. All right, let's do this. That's a mouthful. Oh yeah, now that is a hearty way to start your day, loaded with meat, egg, cheese, and potatoes. I'm gonna take one more bite and then I'll go over the macros. So, like I said at the beginning, the entire burrito is 445 calories, 37 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, 52 grams of protein. And using the egg beaters helps to add protein because it's pretty much all egg whites, which is high in protein. But like I said, I really like these burritos. I enjoy them all the time. And if you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to like and subscribe to The Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And until next time, keep on eating.